traveling solo from Minnesota all the way out to California with my camper. Me and Lulu have finally made it out to California. After staying in San Diego for a little bit and just relaxing and catching up with old friends. That's Linda, I love her. So then it was time to go back up to Coloma, California, which is where the trailer has been and where Mike is stationed as a wildland firefighter. I have found a mountain man and I've decided to keep him. Would you like to meet him? This is Mike Jastrzebski 2.0. So Mike, you're gonna do all the stuff to get the trailer ready, right?
Go.
Do you know how to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Lulu always helps back me up. Come back. Battery's dead. What are you doing? All set up. Let's try and... One of them is gray. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm not meaning to. I just need it to go back a little further.
It doesn't go back a little further. It's like as far as it goes, you just keep twisting my whole body.
Mike has come to have quite the unibrow.
What's that? Oh, why are you recording me? Why are you recording my life problems?
How are you doing? Take a deep breath.
I'm gonna take a deep breath. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you up to? Maybe you're hoping my headache.
You looked so cross-eyed. Oh yes, much better. No Helga G. Pataki here. Lulu, you're next. Oh, just kidding. Okay, Mike brought us to, where are we at? What town are we in?
Coloma.
There's also live music. Super cute. The propane ran out while I was in San Diego, and the trailer was obviously unoccupied, and everything in the fridge went bad. Everything. And then obviously whatever else was in here, but so Mike's at the grocery store replacing everything right now. He goes back on assignment tomorrow, and I'm going to be staying here at this campground. I'm going to do some work outside on my computer, and when Mike comes back, I think we're supposed to go down to the river. Such a nice day. It was actually pretty chilly this morning. We had sweatshirts on. Can we come out, Lou? There she goes. It was so nice listening to the river all night. We're having breakfast with the ducks. Surprised Lulu's not going after them. We got this set up. Hey, boo.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweet...
Are you ready to lose?
So who am I playing against?
Me.
Oh,
It does have to be same suit or 3 in a straight. Yeah, we'll do a practice round.
Maybe the trees will whisper.
First of all,
Spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
see the deer? Oh, Mike, look at the baby. Ooh, look at the crawdad. Can I catch him? Lou, the gold panner, not finding any gold. His family will go hungry again tonight. Saying bye to his booger. Mike Jastrzebski, can you tell us who you're wearing today? Who your style? Who is the designer of your clothes?
Government made my clothes.
He's ready to go, ready to leave us. I just dropped Mike off and now I'm gonna start on some work. Lou's having some breakfast. This is really kind of heavy, Lou. I'm gonna go down to the river right now with Lou, bringing a little bit of wine and my goggles. I've been diving in the river over here, mostly finding trash, pulling it out, obviously. By the way, there was a bad car accident on the bridge over here. There's one way in and one way out to this RV park. They closed the bridge. All these poor people were stuck here yesterday.
Okay, this sucks. They're telling everybody about Van Road.
Gosh almighty, that's crazy.
That's
That's true, you too. Bye.
Bye.
That was one of the neighbors. Behind us, there's this like crazy snurgly road up the hill, up the mountain, but you can only fit one vehicle at a time. It's not a good look for trucks and trailers. I don't know, dude. Anyway, I don't have to worry about that yet, so let's go down to the river. Yeah, most of these trailers are empty. People just drove their vehicles home. Good girl. Lulu found her spot. Come on, Lulu. Lulu, will you save me? 4, 3, 2, 1. I just got back to the trailer. It was a successful day at the river. I took the full day off. I didn't look at emails. I didn't look at any sort of work thing. It was great. Sometimes I catch myself doing that on days off. Okay, I'm gonna make chicken tacos. Hello, sir. What are you doing in my Jeep? You know, my boyfriend's gonna be back soon.
Take what's mine.
Oh, look at these super cute flowers Mike got me. It's like a fall bouquet. So Mike's off for a week. We're having family dinner. It's his first meal in 8 months. There was a deer, but he's gone now. He was really cute. Oh, there's something over there. Looks like a bobcat. Did you see it? There it goes. All right, it's another day here in Coloma, California. I am getting ready to go head into town. I need to mail some stuff, and I'm gonna go to the gym, and I need to go to the store. Bridge is still closed. I'll show you guys. I'll show it to you on the way out. So I have to go up this back dirt, windy, steep road. So there's the bridge I would normally take, but This guy is so curious about Lulu. Lulu has either no idea or doesn't care. Look at those two. No. Once. Maybe twice. Why?
Because it's choked all the way up. How's it cold?
Oh.
Hi, Boogie Woogie.
Ready to lose at Skippo?
Remember who invented Skippo?
I won the first one.
It was a practice round. Nobody was playing.
Some crazy person just came banging on our door. Thank God Mike was here. It's only 8 p.m., but usually when weird stuff happens, Mike isn't here, and he's like, why does everything happen when I'm not there? But this time he was here, so he answered the door. Some crackhead was asking for, I don't know, to use our phone for Uber or something, but he was obviously like drunk or out of it or something. So Mike went to go outside, and now he's not back. I should call him, because he's not out there. I already went out there. I didn't see him. Good morning! We're heading over to the Argonaut, and I'm meeting my friend Kimberly. She lives up here in Placerville. So we're gonna have some coffee. We're gonna walk across the bridge because the bridge is open again, thank God. That was a mess. It's 8 in the morning. It's a little cold. Good morning, Mike. We have to pick up Luby because she hurt her leg. So she can't walk too much. How does she look up here? Look at on top of the water. Steam. Or fog, whatever. What is that? That's neat. Did you see it?
Dookie.
Ooh, Dookie Express. So we're going to the Argonaut. Lulu, look at the cute little hay bales. This house was built in 1916 by Charles Schultz.
I made the video!
Lulu! Good girl. All right, the day has come. We are leaving Coloma, California. Lulu, are you ready? Cool. So Mike is officially done with his season and we're heading up to Idaho. I really want to see some fall colors. There's a little bit here, but not as much as I'd like. So that's our plan. How you feeling, Mike?
Good.
Here we come, Idaho. Got a potato pin, and we got our picture taken with the giant potato.
Best moment of the day.
Watching you try to open that gate, I thought it.
Nobody told me there was a back thing back there. I like shoved it and I was wolfing.
I actually did the same thing.
Oh, whatever. Making fun of me.
I'm sure you got Tootsie Pop already. It's supposed to be a lollipop.
I breathe intimidation into my opponents.